Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up your taxes on Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my main page, and I'm going to go and navigate to the taxes settings in a moment. Let me just first explain what you need to do. So when you're selling something online, for example on Shopify, and especially if you're selling in several countries or several regions, each of them are bound to have their own rules for taxes and their own tax guidelines. Now, you need to set up your tax rules for each region separately, or you can set it up for a global region if you want to. However, it's best if you're in multiple countries to set up the taxes for each country separately. Now, what you're going to need to do to actually set them up is go into the settings in the bottom left and then navigate to taxes and duties. Click on that, and here you'll see the taxes you can add. Now, as you can see a list of all the regions you can add taxes to, depending on the shipping zones that you are using, and you can also use several apps to make it easier on you. Now, here, for example, I'm just going to select the European Union, since that is the largest region over here, and as you can see, you have the standard Shopify tax, which you have added by default. You can add the consolidated taxes report or see the data in it, and you can also add your VAT collection in a EU country. So for example, let's say Greece, you can add the VAT number. So for example, I don't know, this number should be good. Click collect a VAT, and now you have Greece added here. You can also collect VAT cross-border if you click here, and you can also add tax rates and exemptions. Now, as you can see, uncategorized products will show up here. Mine are categorized, so I don't have any to set up. You also have shipping overrides as well as product overrides, depending on what you do. As you can see, to use both of these, you need to collect the VAT. So let's say that is that, and pretty much you just need to set up everything here to, well, make sure everything works. I'll stop collecting the VAT for Greece since I don't need it, and let me pick another country, for example Canada. If you go here, you can add collect from a new region. So for example, let's say Quebec, sales tax ID. I'll set it up like so, and as you can see, it is invalid because, well, it is not in the format that it requires. Once you do have the format, click collect, and then that's it, as well as adding shipping overrides and product overrides if you need it. But in essence, that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.